Okay, to get started on an actual floor plan, the first thing we're going to do is um, go to our east elevation, and we're going to rename these levels because I want to put the number in front of the elevation to make sure it orders it correctly over here. So what I did is I clicked on east elevation. Here, I'll escape out of that, and then you click on the number, and this is going to be right now to roof. So that's going to be our roof level. And when we go, we need to hit yes here, so it renames it over here. And then I'm going to call this one floor. And this first assignment, we're just doing 2 levels. In the tiny house video series that I've also told students they can follow, he ends up making foundation level and a top of foundation level. And we're going to do that later in this model instead of starting out at the beginning. Now, the next thing we do is go ahead and go to floor plan. Before we do that, though, we are going to make a plate height right here of 10 feet. We're just going to leave it at 10 feet. So from the first floor to the roof, it's going to be 10 feet. Not always standard, but that's just an easy way to go by for this first assignment. So I'm going to go to floor plan, and the next thing I'm going to do is start to create my walls. Now, walls, and especially, I'll go back here. Let me muddle around here for a minute. So make sure that you're on the architecture tab and come up here and this select walls. If we hit this and hit a flyout, there's these other options, but with this, the default is right here, wall architectural. So we'll hit that. And these generic walls, basically, they are this blob's this is an 8-inch blob, so I call it. So what we're going to do is go to, there's other options down here, all kinds of different walls, but we're going to make this specific to, or more specific to residential construction. Later in the course, we will get into more detail on what is in the wall, but we're going to at least make this one best we can to those specifications. In fact, I think what I'll do is that will be in the next video. Like I said, in this video, we made sure our elevation is right and named correctly, so here, so that things end up being ordered right here, and it's easier to follow. So